Hello and welcome. Today we will be smashing some watermelons, and we will be using some BB guns, some bats, hammers, and a croquet mallet. Okay, let's crank up the power to a bigger BB gun. Still can't see any damage, except for small holes and water leaking out. Once more. Here's a nice Red Ryder BB gun, and we will be shooting now. Didn't seem to make that much damage. Let's try again. Alright, there's a small hole and some water leaking out. Last shot. The BB guns didn't seem to be doing that much except for small holes. And now I will be hitting the watermelon with a kid's foam bat. In 3, 2, 1. I see some cracks there. Once more. In 3, 2, 1. All right. Now for the taste test. All right, we got our brand new watermelon, and we are going to murder it with this amazing metal bat. And first strike in 3, 2, 1. Crack right down the side and the other side. Reset the larger pieces there to get annihilated again. Well, this watermelon had a bad time. It's like crushing zombie skulls. Alright, and now we have the small hammer. So that was the sharper side, and now I'm going to see what happens and if there is a difference on the blunt side. Stuck. covered in watermelon guts. My shorts are soaked. And then now it is time for the other 5 watermelons. All right, we have switched over to a red watermelon, the normal kind. And I will be using a hardened rubber mallet. And I think it will not pierce through it as easily because it's more blunt. Let's get to smashing. I was wrong. Oh, it's cracking too. I think this one's the best. How many of you can say that you splattered watermelon all over your dad? As a result of the hardened rubber mallet, which is way faster than I thought it would be, I got watermelon red and yellow all over me, and it smells delicious. Alright, I have switched over to the metal pole, and I think it's gonna go straight through when I stab down. Let's get to stabbing. I just got an idea. So I've hammered in a new hole in the watermelon with the pole, and my idea, I'm gonna use a watermelon to smash a watermelon. Bang! That was effective. I think this has worked the best so far. The murder was Wyatt Oddward in the backyard with the lead pipe. In terms of smashing watermelon, this lead pipe led me in the right direction. So, this is the croquet mallet, and before we've used hammers, BB guns, metal pipes, and bats. This is in its own section. Piece in my mouth. This is messy work, but somebody's got to do it. So this is my older brother Tanner, and he will be batting a watermelon.
That's the plan. fun.
That was amazing.
Home run! Home run. All right, Wyatt, here, your turn. I'll chuck you a small one.
Time for a homer. My big brother thought he's gonna have a good one. Wait till I see this one. Just like Bugs Bunny says. Wham! Homer! That was amazing. It smashed right down on it, and it's everywhere. Yeah! If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you check back on my channel. Thanks for watching!